This is Force 13 with another update on Hurricane Hector. Strong Category 4 Hurricane Hector continues to move westward across the central Pacific. And here's the latest information with some additional graphics. We have a look at the Joint Typhoon Warning Center's current track chart on the hurricane. And you clearly see that the Big Island is in the cone of uncertainty. And it's located 15.8 degrees north, 145.6 degrees west, about 680 miles east-southeast of HILO, Hawaii, 895 miles east-southeast of Honolulu, Hawaii. Maximum sustained winds 155 miles per hour, 750 kilometers an hour, tracking west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. And minimum central pressure remains 936 millibars. And here's Hector's current track. Tropical Storm Watch remains in effect for Hawaii County. Tropical Storm Force correction. A tropical storm watch means that tropical storm conditions are possible within a watch area within the next 48 hours, and interests elsewhere in the Hawaiian Islands should monitor the progress of Hector. Now we have a look at wind speed probabilities. This is the 50 knots or 58 miles per hour. And the wind scale is at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a look at the 120 hours. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. And the scale's the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can see the intensity, and the Big Island still in the wind field. Most likely arrival time of tropical storm force winds. And the next item is total precipitation. It's a pivotal weather website and it's a GFS model. And as mentioned, Hector is moving towards west-northwest near 16 miles per hour, 26 kilometers an hour. This motion is expected to continue overnight, followed by a turn towards the west on Tuesday and Wednesday. On the forecast track, Hector is expected to pass roughly 150 miles south of the Big Island on Wednesday. Rainfall scale, bottom of the screen, and it's the area in yellow and dark brown. Now we have a look at the SIMS model. ASCAT, the track of the hurricane. Maximum sustained winds are near 155 miles per hour or 250 kilometers an hour with higher gusts, and Hector is a Category 4 system. Some weakening is forecast during the next 48 hours, though Hector is expected to remain a major hurricane. And you can clearly see Hector and the other systems to the east get absorbed and dissipate. And here's some satellite imagery. And you can clearly see that Hector is coming towards the big island. When you look at the area at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 miles an hour, 35 miles from the centre. That's hurricane force winds, and tropical storm force winds out to 105.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.
We will continue to bring updated information.